Are you ready to turn raw data into a sleek, interactive dashboard without any complicated software? Today, I'll show you how to create a full data dashboard using Google Forms, Google Sheets, and Google Sites in just a few simple steps. First, start with data collection. Open Google Forms and design your form with all the questions you need: multiple choice, text, or even scales. Once your form is ready, link it to a Google Sheet. This ensures every response is automatically organized in a spreadsheet, saving you time and effort. Next, move to data preparation and visualization in Google Sheets. Clean and organize your data to make it consistent. Then, highlight the key metrics and use the Insert Greater Than Chart option to create visually engaging charts: bar, line, pie, or scorecards. For a more consolidated view, create a separate dashboard sheet in your spreadsheet with your main charts and even interactive slicers so viewers can filter the data themselves. Finally, it's time to display your dashboard in Google Sites. Start a new site, use the Insert menu to embed your Google Sheet charts, and arrange them in an appealing layout. Add titles, explanatory text, or other elements to provide context. Once you're satisfied, publish your site, controlling sharing permissions to keep your data secure. And that's it. Your Google Sites dashboard now dynamically updates as new form responses come in, giving you a live, interactive view of your data. Follow these steps, and you'll have a professional, easy to use data dashboard ready to impress.